Health maintenance organizations, HMOs, are a type of health insurance plan that provides coverage through a network of healthcare providers. Understanding how much an HMO covers is crucial for individuals seeking comprehensive healthcare coverage. In a nutshell, HMOs typically offer a range of benefits, but it's essential to grasp the key aspects of their coverage. HMOs generally cover a variety of healthcare services, including preventive care, hospital stays, and outpatient procedures. One of the primary advantages of HMOs is that they often require lower out-of-pocket costs compared to other insurance plans. This can include lower copayments and minimal or no deductibles, making healthcare more affordable for policyholders. However, the coverage provided by HMOs is contingent on utilizing healthcare services within the HMO's designated network. This network comprises doctors, specialists, and hospitals that have contractual agreements with the HMO. Going outside the network for non-emergency care may result in reduced or no coverage, except in specific circumstances, such as emergencies. In addition to basic medical services, HMOs often emphasize preventive care, covering routine checkups, vaccinations, and screenings. This focus on preventive measures is intended to keep policyholders healthy and detect potential health issues early, ultimately reducing overall healthcare costs. It's important to note that while HMOs offer comprehensive coverage, they may require members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, who acts as a gatekeeper for referrals to specialists. This centralized coordination of care helps manage costs and ensures that healthcare resources are used efficiently. In summary, HMOs generally cover a wide range of healthcare services at lower out-of-pocket costs, with an emphasis on preventive care. However, the key to maximizing HMO coverage lies in staying within the network and adhering to the plan's guidelines, including obtaining referrals for specialized care. Understanding these aspects can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their healthcare and optimize the benefits provided by their HMO plan.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.